Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on the application of X Twitter. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page of apps you will go to above and you can search about X Twitter and you will enter here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.